Ms. Coffey, thank you for being with us here today. Economic efficiency is one of the most important topics currently in the industry. It's also an opportunity to try new things. What will you be showcasing at your booth that both inspires and presents concrete solutions to address this issue?
Yes, obviously, economic efficiency is especially important when times are rough. And so, all the solutions that we're going to show are basically solutions that can be implemented right away. The first one is our new all-electric PX series, which is great for shortening cycle times, cutting energy consumptions, and overall having a flexibility that we did not maybe have in the past. As a second one, we're going to show chopped fiber processing with our new patented processing screw geometry. This technology is especially great when it matters weight, sustainability, and strength. And it is great also for design purposes. And then, of course, we have the KraussMaffei Classic color foam, which is a combination of injection molding and RPM surface technology. What it does, it essentially saves you the paint job, and thus it saves you a lot of material, space, time, and cost. And it's a great technology if, let's say, design matters. So obviously a game changer for the automotive and consumer goods industry.
Another major topic, sustainability. How does KraussMaffei support the circular economy? Do you have any examples, recycling solutions, or digital products, for example?
Of course. Let me say before I answer this question, obviously plastics is an essential part of our modern lives. And we all know that we are part of this industry, and we all know that the way plastics is manufactured, how it is used, and how it is basically disposed of at the end of its life cycle, this needs to change. And as KraussMaffei, we regard ourselves as part of this technology, also as part of this shared responsibility. So we have invested heavily into recycling technology. Two of them we will show at the K. The first one is about the recycling of polyurethane. It's a continuous chemical recycling process where we take the old PU foam out of very, very old refrigerators and by chemically recycling them, turning them into new polyol, which can then be used for new PU products. For the second solution, just think bottle to bottle. It's about PET recycling, and it's especially designed for higher throughput and for basically fulfilling the demands of this specific industry.
And maybe you can tell us about a few other things that visitors can discover at your trade fair booth this year.
Of course, there are a lot of other things that the visitors can see at our booth. Let's say there's something at the moment, it's still a working title. It's called Tech Pavilion, where we showcase lots of the plastic parts that were produced on our machines for, let's say, various types of plastics, for various types of industries, just to give the visitors a really broad picture of what can be done with different machines. Of course, you also see machines like the aforementioned PX series and also the color foam.
Wonderful. Well, we really have something to look forward to then at KraussMaffei. Thank you so much for your time.